I'll be honest with you, I love tremolo bridges and I hate them. Ever since I got this Floyd Rose guitar, I have this love-hate relationship with that Floyd Rose floating bridge. One moment, doing sit vibrato on a clean chords, the next moment, I'm completely out of tune after I pull up. The struggle was real, so I finally decided enough is enough. It was time to install a tremolo stabilizer, specifically with the double check tremolo stabilizer called string plates sit balance system. Out of tune. The struggle was real, so I finally decided enough is enough. It was time to install a tremolo stabilizer, specifically the double shake tremolo receipt balance systems in Chrome. Yeah, it's a mouthful. Here's the journey went. The decision. It all started with a live stream jam session. I hate this beautiful harmonic spill, followed by the gently tremolo dip. And when I came back up, my high A was a quarter high step flat, and my G string was disappeared into another dimension. Viewers noticed it, so I pretended it was intentionally just tuning. But my ego was wounded. That night, I stayed up browsing forums and YouTube rabbit holes until I found this double shake tremolo system. A simple piece of hardware to help my trim bridge consistently. Sold. The arrival. 2 days later, the package arrived. A small chrome stabilizer plate, a puppy screws. No fancy branding, no instructional manual, just me.
Taking shots at the enemy. I'm gonna make it to the top, leave a legacy. If I got something to say, you better let me speak. Turn it up a new degree, bitch, you ain't seen anything. I pop off with the new rock, electronic, blow the sonic roof up. I'm too honest when I take a few shots. They're too toxic, need to take the noose off. And you cannot save me, 'cause I don't need saving. It's everything I've been chasing, all here for the taking. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots.
You are not as tough as
that you never guess. I don't slack, don't lose, learn your lesson yet. When I get to choose what I do, I'm like a weapon. I'm not sharp as many, but got heart, I'm ready to change scars to envy, to win large and plenty. I like to play fast, never change back, falling